Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please remember to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. And if you're returning, welcome back. So in today's video, we're going to be focusing on drawing the nose, mouth, and ears. Let's get started. Okay, so to start off with the nose, I'm going to be drawing a circle with my 2H pencil. Now the reason I'm using 2H to start with the rough sketching is because it's a lighter pencil and it won't show up as well than a darker pencil or my 4B, for example, when I outline and define. So, I'm just going to do my rough sketch. Now what I'm doing is I'm outlining the bottom of this circle, and then I'm making my wings coming out. These are going to be the nostrils. So you make these wings this. Next, we're going to make the skin around the nostrils. And we're going to use a parenthesis shape. Got some nice parenthetical shapes going on. And we're going to start the bridge of the nose. And we're going to bring that down. And we're going to curve it so it touches this rough circle here. So it shows that the nose is, in fact, 3D. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my 4B pencil and I'm going to outline the important parts. Notice how the 4B is much darker. Okay. Then we're gonna go and outline these shapes here. There we go. Next, I'll show you how to draw the lips. So I have my 2H again, and from the bottom of the nose, we're gonna make this point arrow shape. And in the middle, you're going to draw the Cupid's bow. Now what is the Cupid's bow? It's basically one of the seagulls that you used to draw when you were little. Okay, so, gonna make the Cupid's bow. We're going to extend this out a little bit. And then, we're going to bring this down. Like so. Like that. Okay, so now you have your top lip, and you're gonna go from the bottom and start making lines coming back to about where your Cupid's bow started, and you're gonna go and you're gonna make a rounded shape here. Okay, next you're gonna go from the bottom here, and you're gonna take your line out like this, and like that, and you're just gonna go and connect your lines there. And we're gonna outline and make this darker here. We'll just slightly shade this area down here, like so. Okay, and then we're just going to make the little dip in your lip right here, and there's the lips. So finally, we're going to move on to the ear. And to start, we're going to make an ear shape. So to do that, make kind of, I would say about half a heart shape, but it's a wider looking heart. And then you're going to stop about here and make the earlobe, and then finish that off. Okay, so next what you're going to do is you're going to go on the inside of the ear, and you're going to make the same shape, stopping where you stopped before. Then you're going to make a little dip here, and then at this point right here, you're going to make a shape like this, and then finish the circle. Okay, so now you're going to make your ear canal, or the hole in your ear. So you just do that by making this shape and then shading it in like I did. Next, you're going to make another light circle in the ear from about where you started your canal to about right here. Okay, so from there, you're going to make a little triangle shape like this, and like this, and just bring that down. And again, going to lightly shade this area here, here, and down there. And there you have it. There's your ear, your nose, and your lips. So please let me know if you like this video in the comments down below. Let me know if there's anything else you'd like to see, and have a good day.